In this demo, we will show how the coordination service developed in the context of the ontogrid project can be used by resource providers and consumers to coordinate the use of shared resources. The video shows two consoles. On the top, the Globus Toolkit container hosting the service, and on the bottom, a visualization client used to visualize activities and interdependencies. First, the client is connected to the coordination service, and since this is the first time the service is loaded, we see the initialization process within the Globus window. A repair company, Repair Company 1, now registers a body shop resource. This is a shareable resource, meaning that it can be used by multiple activities at the same time, though these activities will impede one another. We can see that the coordination service has registered the resource. A second Repair Company 2, then registers a paint shop resource. This is a non-shareable resource, meaning that it can only be used by one activity at a time. Again, we can see that the coordination service has registered the resource. Now an insurance company 1, sends several requests for these resources to the coordination service. The requested activities are added to the agenda and can be seen in the visualization client. Insurance Company 1 then requests a repair bodywork activity that overlaps an existing activity. As the body shop resource is shareable, the coordination service determines that although these two activities are not mutually exclusive, they will impede one another, and so it moves the newly requested activity. Insurance Company 1 then requests a paint bodywork activity on the same car. As the paint bodywork activity cannot commence until the repair bodywork activity is completed, the coordination service determines that the repair activity enables the paint activity and so moves the latter accordingly. This is an example of positive coordination. Requesters and providers can register to receive notifications of schedule changes for resources in which they have an interest. They can also register to receive a notification of when a resource is removed from the coordination service. Here, Insurance Company 1 registers to receive both types of notification. Now, a second Insurance Company 2, requests a paint bodywork activity that overlaps an existing activity. As the paint shop resource is non-shareable, the coordination service determines that these two activities are mutually exclusive, and so it moves the newly requested activity. Subscribers to schedule change notifications receive a message indicating when activities are moved. Here, Insurance Company 1 receives such a message. It is also possible to retrieve the current set of requested activities for any resource. Here, Repair Company 2 requests such information for its resource Paint Shop 1. A resource requester can also withdraw a requested activity at any time. Here, Insurance Company 2 withdraws its requested activity Paint Bodywork 10. We can see that the activity has been removed by the coordination service. Again, subscribers to schedule change notifications receive a message detailing any change. Finally, it is also possible for a resource provider to deregister its resources. Here, Repair Company 2 deregisters its paint shop resource Paint Shop 1. We can see that the coordination service has removed the resource. In doing so, it sends a notification to subscribers of resource removal notifications. As such a subscriber, Insurance Company 1 receives a notification. This concludes the demonstration.